ngay remote 지적이 라 통계가 됐습니다. 다른 가지 이렇게 하나는 cell the unit of life 그래. 이 topic 되어지네. 근데는 많이 subtopic data subtopic 가지시면은 나스도라. 좀 정복한다나 what is life? 아니 cell theory셔서 아니 an overview of cell theory 아니 what is cell laga tama cell khade chi lawa isra ta cell ji ge de tama chi abu organism chi yora da imi soksha dinana ta mazu khade na khashi cell unicellular unit organism khashi na yora na multicellular unit da ani unicellular organism chi na khade chi lawa na which are composed of single cell ta unilateral single cell chi social organism chi la ani multicellular organism now there. And multicellular organism cell more than one cell is two solution only multicellular organism now there. The cell being on the quality cell being on the independent existence dila independent existence is and koi khajina life की function छिरा ता बिना बिना ता cell की क्यों नहीं मज़ो ता join है रे मज़ो इमिक ता function चुंगोरा उन समय ता cell की जो कोश ता क्यों के शेयर है रे खंडे ना ता मज़ो इतना ता life process चुंगो दी function तो दी खाला ना cell की चुने की मज़ो cell दी ता essential life function छिरे इसरा अनि ना तो मज़ो खाला ना what is cell ना the cell is the fundamental unit of all the living beings, living organisms. And cell describes the function of Anton von Leeuwenhoek, scientist, who describes it. And subtopic new cell theory. The cell goes to the and cell cell and next topic you are cell theory the cell cell and fundamental unit of life and only the cell theory is how good is the scientists need nature made us correct and then the Theodore Chapman only 1938 cell theory proposed and cell theory is 아니 우리 세계에 양 군이 건조기 사이언스 제마주래 Rudolf Virchow 아니 그래 군이야 수주기야 1855 아니 여기 왔다 only cell theory 나나 only the cell 나나 खाते चिल्लाई scientist खाने लावला all the living organisms are composed of cells and product of cells दिखो ना अच्छे पर तंगो ना देश क्या बा living things 나나 खाते चिल्लाई metabolism children and in living organism the khandi chila composed of cells product of cells and living organism living organism there or like so cell living cell keeping as a function growth living function one so living organism cell product of cell socialization is and all cells are arising from the pre-existing cell. That is how cell chung so chura. Only one pre-existing the chung and also correct cell the cell the chungol is pre-existing the chungol is then correct kuni chung chik dynamics way now pre-existing is the cell the overview cell identity original cell the overview cell description the cell sama kula dala kyui da imagine chitham means khade doshina sama deshina isin andoya chick cell na susu itanda chick yora chick cell ni da toothpick ki da cell the chuga deshina toothpick in the cow doshini ya oni slide na shaw deshina slide na sha ani microscope ni da deshina one cell the form of na tyo adishna ya manzu slide na sha ani di suzu chiksel shira oni shara ani hala di roshta stem di blue stem chi khoji stem chi da stem majina manzu sel di musti uthongi mara odi gi jai hindu pide show microscope wala ya ani stem mo butang di ya ta manzu chiksel di le roshtu bosh ta chiksel di ne ndo manzu sel di khoji roshtu na ina konche ya order reason chera and the cell membranes already ani the free surface chera no fluid ani cytoplasm ani kima di close launch to do on the cell the overview chera only the example shot is na the chick cell na edit kara microscope ta is na eukaryotic species gyada is na and the prokaryotic the eukaryotic planeta mother the this goes should be a differentiate china and mother leda gochira and thambu khande na prokaryotic dia nucleus yomari and eukaryotic ni nucleus yoria and konzola kyachi khaina na chikya prokaryotic ni membranous and membranous organelles ya konzola yomari and eukaryotic la membranes enclosed organelles mongopair ya konzola ani penna khalo chasna dirode Golgi bodies tang da chigyara ni structure ma da division ya organelles khaga ni ani konzola cell division na mitosis ta meiosis na ni yora ani prokaryotic na cell division mitosis majung ni konzola ta cell division in the organs ani eukaryotic cell division by mitosis chongos ani konzola flagella na na structure in the dosh thona vilai suzu di dosh ta in the dosh structure dia flagella ani on the structure di ani khare simple konzola khande na simple flagella dia in the flagella ya type termita ya na konzola simple flagella de ani shaba eukaryotic da ani complex flagella de ani konzola ribosome khane smaller ribosome gita size short is na prokaryotic la smaller ribosome de phajadila ani larger ribosomes ani shaba cell wall la ani konzola cellulose la ta chigyoria ani cellulose di prokaryotic la yomari ani khane eukaryotic cell la cellulose ki cell wall shure isra ani tadina ma differentiate chalo ta so ta ma cell de jma mushkil sa ina ma ta cell na la ta dila be size ta shape ta mi na pe mo yore isra ani dina ni ma so ta da bacterium mycoplasm la shure ta ra so di bacterium la shure bacterium mycoplasm di ma so ta da pneumonia chiknai da pneumonia ne di ta bacteria mycoplasm bacteria shia bacteria ani di de mycoplasm pneumonia laus ani uni mycoplasm ki size dia 0.3 micrometer chungshu shide la ya koi size 0.3 micrometer she and the bacteria ta wanzu nambi cha shone bacteria bi da microscope ni da dashna 3 to 5 micrometer do cha this cell ki size ta shape du sha ta chungshu di tingas to la ordesra and chungshu di da wanzu ostrich yura cha ostrich ki h yura and h the largest the single cell and largest the size largest the image and wanzu tanda ki sugu na ta osna red blood cell the round da and biconcave shape the structure the da doctor na da dina da size cell the size the shape na da and wanzu red blood cell the round biconcave shape the uresra and white blood cell the structure na WBC shape the da and white na how to learn the unicellular and the shapeless structure the sta all the shapeless structure na in the under shape and white shape the sta ani the column tanda wanzu muscles diora muscles the dizu khandi do na shape cells asati columnar the epithelial cell resra ta khonzo ki shape khandi do na long and narrow do shape resra and nerve cell la ti ta wanzu brain na ta brain na le de ani nerve cell di ta wanzu ta cell structure na ya longest la khare la longest logic theory ani khandi na khonzo nerve cell di the branches ta ani pe remove the origin size onde de resra 아니 단다 먼저 리프 나왔다 어디서나 리프 디기세요 마이크로스코프 니와다 어디서나 먼저 단다 미소필 셀 도스타 and 어떤 게 셀 디스트럭처 하는데 나 혼자 라운드 다 all in the years 아니 so on the plant cell down animal cell and the cell together sama the plant cell the animal cell na condition la chara plant cell the animal cell the traditional the not the figure wa the figure the traditional ani tawatan ki tambu khalana plant cell di bet cha yore animal cell di bet plant la shi de chuan yore ya ani konjula plant cell la cell wall yore ani animal cell la cell wall yo mane absent ani dragon di traditional test the difference shi tu dia ani plant cell la plastic present yore khala animal cell la yo mane khala na plastic dinga jo khala photosynthesis ki ni ta kundu rash di animal di mara khala photosynthesis di mara so ngoi khala so ma du animal di koro so khala so mara ma chi plant dishna koro khala so process to do da photosynthesis ki ni zo la plant dishna and then look into the plastic urea animal layer mane ani Golgi complex are scattered in cytoplasm ta Golgi these are organisms ki being dodia organisms chashi plants na on Golgi complex but cytoplasm na kundu thought de de ta da lock the na da the Golgi bodies ka ji structure dia this that for scattered chin de de ani animal na na khade na they are nucleus ki term do dia ani plant cell la centrosome the centrols la yang chashi yuri da vectors tong da yuri da the diagram na show shi da vectors few kashish na marisa animal cell na tiny small size and many plus animal cell na to size the small de ni am kundu vector di pe ye share mamo pe desra nucleus is like the nucleus de kundu plant cell na ya nucleus is strategic na periphery na side dia suchi ka cha ya ani kashi tula cha de desra ani hajo di animal cell na ya nucleus ta nucleus di structure de sa na kundu cells tinga zo compose shi shai besla na proteins da lipid ki compose shi shai besla ani lipid na na ya lipid na kundu khande na phospholipids ani phospholipids che ko to bilayer ki ni ta structure form chi sha de de ta demo diagram ni ta understand ta ko to diagram show chi da ole tai chi da ani protein da shna ko to integral proteins ani that inside membrane ta protein ya ni ya protein chik na no yure chik peripheral use ta chi ko integral protein ani which is inside the cell wall cell membrane na no yure de la integral protein na ya ani peripheral na ko to surface la yure de la peripheral protein di loss peripheral protein loss ani di ta cell membrane ki de yani to jura ani scientist na Stinker and Nicholson la jure odi kunzu no ma khathola de na fluid mosaic model da kunzu de ya then that was the membrane the case function khachola la jura function khachola na hormonal binding ta an hormone da ji ta system ma question chawla odi na ta kunzu gi no choria ani passive transfer na manju ita pena editors higher than kundu passive na primary cell chi gi ju jeshda odi na kundu gi no choria and active transportation facilitated distribution ta ko khare chi gi carrier chi gi guni ani carrier chi gi guni ko ro chi ni ko transport cha ro ya ani pena osmosis na ma water concentration higher to lower the gradient drainage line osmosis laws when na shi ko to ita function di ta ile do chao dia transport chair da osmosis na hormonal binding chain chair da this much chore and then cell addition cell chi kula khadis ropa chair ta chigura and cell to cell communication ta cell membranes ki kuni and cell chi kuni communication chi na next yang kha chair transport chair jiga cell communication cell ki communication chungza and the cell membrane ki ropa chore sa and membranes found dinashi kuzugi enzyme dizula found chi yani ngazo function ene cell ki function chungo de cell wall beshi cell the shape the cell members la and the cell la cell tata dingo cell members la ani tina cell wall la cha la na non ta khalish la na khu non living digit structures is la cell wall la non living digit structures is la ani khu outer covering of ta ngazu ena fungi ne ena plant ne ta ngazu gi cell outer covering is la cell wall la wall la covering outer covering structure la ora ani khoju khaji la khoju shape chi pu jeo mare cell one ne la ngazu covering jo shape chi pu mare sra khoju wall chi ge ta shape chi pu jeo mare khoju gi mechanical damage ta ngazu kisi charge khali chung na be khoju gi mechanical support chi jao ri ma damage na pe na ngazu ma so na tangu ma ri an chi jana for ma su ji de modi ga sa cell wall ta roba chi ni ngazu khale mechanical khali damage na be khoju roba chi ore sra ani cell ani infection condition at the promotion ta ngazu cell wall la types ni is primary the secondary cell and area the endomembrane system ta ngazu check this lady check the kala dinanga la ta chiki organism khase anti gaza do cell you gaza and endoplasmic reticulum la na condition na there are tubular structures which is scattered in the cytoplasm ta di khale diagram dina this thought is na RES ta SER la ni diagram dosta khunju khanje la tubular structure do sharia ani cytoplasm na bed the bed thol thing do sharia ani khunju la type news RER la na rough endoplasmic reticulum na khunju khala na khunju la ribosome urea ani surface na urea sa khunju gi to ta le khaji na protein di synthesis chaya da ani secretion chaya ne produce and smooth endoplasmic reticulum sa and khunju la khala khagi bana na khunju la ribosome bear shio maria and in a surface ka yore and khunju dimol RER dikhala so protein synthesis chila sa dela lipid synthesis chura and stereo hormone ede ta khunju steroidal hormone la ni produce hoya ta Golgi body Golgi apparatus to chart na chemilo Golgi ta formation describe observed shadowshura and the khunju structure the country na flattened che and this shape ratio now Golgi body data the structure figure na and khunju this shape is la and khunju la structure kind na cysteria lasta only data and parallel chimita and the diagram na thogi da tas initially parallel section did the restra parallel chick parallel ya section did the structure the issue ya na and khunju ita main function khanda cha main function khachina na manjo ita material package ni transport ta ro ta protein chi ni chi transport ta ro ta inde ya and number of protein in the main khal ari meaning the khunju the protein mambuji synthesis chigi de sula na mola ribosome ki khachi protein synthesis chigi la sa RER ji dina shi ribosome khunju ribosome ki ni protein synthesis chigi de ani dina shi modified system of Golgi apparatus system and the khogita desh khale structures ta on the khunju modified choria ani synthesis of glycoprotein that is the protein khato the khunju kha synthesis china na glycoprotein da glycolipid the samma khunju dina la synthesis another the sol the period the urine sol tumor the la na ta ki ha mitochondria la na ta double layer structure the remove the star is na double layer structure de ani khunju double layer structure de ani chilo la outer membranes na de and inner membranes dividing its lumen in two compartment ni like the khunju ya ni la chaya and inner membranes the khande na and inner membranes na ya and the q shadow rush mamush mi the infolding structure shadow only la khala wala na the love khare Christia and Dosha and only khande na khunju matrix na area the khunju la two compartment here la sa two compartment the and two membranes the khunju inner the outer do chasa only the main function khacho na specific enzyme didala the specific enzyme didala the choria ani khunju la do the ming sheba khala na powerhouse of the cell now kala ni the only ATP chusa shera only two the mitochondria ni chumoro only kala powerhouse of the cell now and the matrix on a circular DNA molecules and RNA khashi shera She plant cell na ta nga plant cell da eukaryote ta de sa ta tingo na ma animal cell da plant cell na de shiga sa plant cell na plastic yure animal cell na yo ma des khalan ta plant cell na plastic di khalan na plastic na ma to khachun na chloroplast ani di chai da chromoplast leucoplast di sama churiya ani chloroplast na ma to chlorophyll pigment da ani carotenoid da di sama ta dis churiya for to khalan na khon photosynthesis da rokochi exam अनि chloroplast दिखाने ना double membrane structure चले अनि गांजा अनि inner membrane खाने कुछ जो ता space दिखाने ना inner membranes की ता ने space गांजा inner membranes की ता तुम शुरू या उन्हीं ला stroma ला भी ड्राइवर ना ता उसमें ना भी अतने ता कुछ जो stroma ला ना main function खाचो ना carbohydrate ता protein ता synthesis चले अनि कुछ ला double membranes अनि circular chain ये रे ribosome यूज Dragon attached to thyroid latch with that. When the cancer use stroma and actually the pile she shall get the coin to stop with any relation there. And then the coin nourishing the remedy of the dragon statue is a coin shall get Gilani, what is the crana la restra, and chromoplast, carotene, and zetophyll, the constant of this plastic now. Plastic in our Taka leisure, and chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast, and chromoplast in our land Kaka leisure, and cell touchna, keratin that's at the field that is so much. The big this summer pigmentation area, and a yellow, and the chromoplast leisure, and the color, yellow pigmentation, the orange pigmentation, the red pigmentation area, and the leucoplast like the colorless plastic day. And Kunzi that function Kajana, Kunzi food stores here, carbohydrates, oils, the protein. This is not Robert Brown King who discovered Shigoria. And you could bet Kadirana. The Kundali include chromatin belaydia, Chela, Kuntugi, and the Deshigatu. And in highly extended elaborate nuclear protein fiber is called and chromatin levistra. And in nuclear matrix and nuclear line outer membrane is continuous with the Kundula Halana in ribosome urea. And in Kundula chromatin the DNA, the histone protein, the thermocyte resra, and Kundula Shempa, the social Natal Kundula, the club board, and that's Sulajigoria. And every next up nucleus division doshi, and next type of chromosome based on the position of the centromere. And you will have a chromosome yara, the chromosome being also. Constructed Shishayushara, what did we call a centromere and Medistra? On the side of the which this shape is called centromere, constructed Shishayuchila, the centromere constructed Shishayuchila, the kinetochore dots, the Dikimasta, centromere Gita, the Deshayushta, Ima the kinetochore dots. Chromosome get all the short, and another chromosome la type sheet, type sheet, the centromere, the centromere position, and metacentric, acrocentric, and submetrocentric, and telecentric, and chromosome sheet sheet. And chromosome sheet sheet, and in Tampo metacentric, and two arms are at equal length. Because the moon on the wall, the moon on the you see, equal size na arm that's Hamaya. Equal size na kilometer centigrams. Yeah. You see, other arms is much small. The Gisichi here. The arm is the Chuada. One of the sheet and go to the acrocentigrams. And if you see a submetrocentric, one arm is somewhat shorter than the others. You see a web each chromatid has only one arm and the centromere at the end of this part.
우리 또 삼지라.
지금 먼저 우리가 지난 섹스 디termination 쇼리스라 아니 먼저 맨날 밴드 레이저 X, Y 먼저 계속하면 그거지 섹스 디termination 그러면서 유나 딴이 먼저 섹스 디termination 치도라 X, Y를 나나는 기시 아니 부인받아 아니 X는 먼저 가는 female 뭐 섹스 디termination
chromosomes number yada ni number te has 21 ya 21 da has 20 something chromosomes yada handamanda ani trans chromosomes
21 pairs of chromosomes like if parents are and plus 1
Instruction ni sex chromosome re kendum pair di thachana shipsirche arai
예산 아니 집대로 해라. 이는 인자지도 어려점라. 인자지도 어려점 내라. 아니 등이 더 좀 내라. 니들 칼로리. 그러면 섹스 그러면